How to use AI for earning money. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and in this video, I'm going to show you a simple method that you can use to have AI help you make more money practically no matter who you are or what you're doing. So this is going to apply to a couple different situations, and we'll just get started right away. So the first way you can use this AI system to make money is if you're someone who needs to book appointments. If you're in sales, if you need to book appointments for things such as solar, roofing, home improvement, pest control, alarm systems, that type of thing, you'll be able to use this method to book more appointments and make more sales that way. If you're not in sales, another way you can use this method is for affiliate marketing. In other words, you can use this method to get the attention of people who are already planning to purchase products and then just give them links to those products so that when they buy the product through the link, you make money. So those are kind of the two different methods you can use this AI system for to help you earn more money. But it's going to be practically the same no matter which of those uh, methods that you choose. So, how did I get into this? Well, like I said, my name is James Jernigan, and for about 2 years, my wife and I traveled the country living out of our RV and went all over the place doing all sorts of cool stuff thanks to the power of affiliate marketing and social media automation using AI. And doing that, like I said, with the affiliate marketing example, we were able to promote a variety of digital products and earn several $1,000s a month, which allowed us to travel around the country in our RV. So recently, we've settled, we sold the bus, and now we are living in an apartment. And so I started looking for ways to increase my income. How can I do the same thing I've been doing, which is making money online with social media automation, but sell a higher ticket product? So I got a job selling solar. Now, if you know anything about the solar industry, going door to door, door knocking is one of the primary ways to get leads in this industry. And that's because it works. It's worked for 100 years. But the thing about it is it's slow. You have to go out, walk around neighborhoods, talk to people one at a time. And in many industries, it's the same with tasks such as cold calling, right? It's the same thing, only instead of door knocking, you're calling people on the phone who have no idea who you are or what you sell. So the way I want to show you the way I was able to get my first appointment within 48 hours of setting this up. So if you're somebody who needs to book appointments, or like I said, somebody who wants to drive traffic to an affiliate offer, doesn't matter, it's going to be the same process. But I'm going to show you here this simple 3-page funnel that I've used to book my first appointment, and then I'm going to show you how I got traffic to this again to get that first appointment booked. So here is a basic landing page. You can build this in any landing page builder. If you want to know all of the tools I use, you can grab the free checklist here at profitpassively.com. It's going to be a free checklist that has all the tools that I use and some of the tools I'll be covering in this video here. So this is a basic landing page. You can do this with any website builder, and I just made a quick video here to explain the offer, right? So people are interested in going solar. Hey, go solar the easy way. So right, this is a simple page with text and video, and it has a button for them to click where they can book a 15-minute virtual solar consultation with me. So the only thing they have to do to book that is enter their information here, and there's a button that says I have my power bill ready. So once they enter their information and click that button, it comes to the second page of the funnel here. Now this is important because anybody can just come and enter 3 bits of information, but I want to make sure that they're serious and that they're going to sit for the appointment. So that's what the second page is for. Email a screenshot or photo of your power bill to my email address. This is extremely important because I can't design your system without it. You'll be able to schedule your appointment on the next page. So they've opted in, they said yes, I want to book an appointment. Now I'm asking them to do a simple task. It's going to take them 30 seconds, maybe 2 minutes if they have to walk across the house and grab the bill or pull it up on their phone and take a screenshot and then send an email to me. So like less than a 2-minute task. If they're willing to do that, odds are they're interested and they're going to sit for the appointment. So once they do that and they click this button, then it forwards them over to my Calendly page where they can book an appointment to, in this case, have a virtual consultation with me, but this will work the same way for in-person appointments. And again, if you are someone who's looking to sell affiliate products or do digital online transactions, right, where all you need is a link, then instead of having this redirect to a Calendly page, you would simply have them enter your information and redirect them to your affiliate link. And it's important that you collect their information, their name, their phone number, and their email address. And I'll get to that a little bit later in the video. But before we get to that part, I want to show you the next step, which is how to drive traffic to a simple funnel like this. Like I said, my funnel is 2 or 3 pages long here. You can set that up in less than half an hour. Honestly, it does not take long to type a couple pages of text. You can even have AI do it for you. We'll get more into the AI in a second, but I just want you to understand the overall concept of what we're doing here. So how did I drive traffic to this initial landing page for this funnel? Well, I did that using social media. So here is a TikTok account that I set up, Virginia Clean Energy, to promote this website. And you can see the videos are getting a few hundred to a few thousand views each. Some down here have a little bit less than that. And I've used some AI videos here. I've used some faceless videos where I literally just point at my computer screen. Now, this one shows my face for a split second, but again, most of it is just pointing at stuff around my house, like my computer screen or old power bill, the light switch, that sort of thing. So really simple videos. These take me less than 5 minutes each to create, which is important because we want to get as much return on our investment of time as possible. So the faster we're able to create this content and get it out and get the views on it, the faster we'll be able to have people book appointments or buy things through our affiliate link. So this is TikTok. I did the exact same thing on YouTube here, Virginia Clean Energy on YouTube. And again, the videos are getting anywhere from a few hundred to a few thousand views a piece. Videos that take me less than 5 minutes to create. So just between these two accounts here, we're looking at a couple hundred to a couple thousand views per day from about 5 minutes of time to create and upload that video. And like I said, some of these videos are created with AI as well. If you're really lazy and you don't even want to film your own finger pointing at the computer screen, then you can use this tool at oneclickvids.com. It's literally what it says it is, oneclickvids.com. You can create videos with one click. All you have to do is type your idea in and select a style. There's a variety of different styles to choose from, and what it's going to do is put together a original, unique, never before seen video. It's going to create the imagery, it's going to create text, the captions, it'll put a voiceover on the video, it'll even put music and effects if that's what you're into, and again, all with just the click of a button. So if you're really lazy, like I said, you can use that, oneclickvids.com, to create these videos, but the point is you're going to just create a system that you can stay consistent with so that you can do this on a daily basis. And doing that, like I said, within the first couple of videos I posted right after I set up this funnel, I had my first appointment booked through Calendly in less than 48 hours. So that was a lot less effort, a couple hours to put this all together. If I were to go walk around knocking doors outside, it's usually one appointment every couple hours that I'm knocking doors. So if I'm able to do all this work once, and this can generate multiple appointments versus having to be out there talking to people all day long. So again, it's the same exact system that I was using when my wife and I were traveling out around the country doing affiliate marketing. This same system has sold tens of thousands of dollars of affiliate products for me, so I knew that I could just tweak it just a little bit, and instead of selling affiliate offers, I could do the same thing to sell solar. And like I said, I got results within 48 hours. So if you're able to follow simple instructions, I don't see why you couldn't do the same thing. So the next thing I want to show you, I just showed you this AI video tool at oneclickvids.com, which is super convenient and really cool, frankly. Another cool thing I want to show you with AI is how I was able to create this basic solar savings calculator for my website. Again, my website is virginia.energy, so this is virginia.energy/solar savings calculator if you want to play with it. But I used AI to create this tool to help me sell my product. So this is the electricity cost inflation calculator. Basically, you just put your average monthly bill in here and click calculate comparison, and what this tool shows is the projected savings over time. So this assumes that the cost of power from the utility company is going to increase about 6% per year, which it has been recently here in Virginia. Last year the cost of electricity increased 16%, so this is kind of a modest estimate compared to that. and this draws that out over time and compares it to a fixed solar cost, which in this case is about 5% initial savings, but it's fixed for the next 25 years versus paying those annual increases from the utility company. And what that comes out to in this case with a $250 bill is savings of $93,000. So that's the proposition here on this page, and that's what this tool helps people understand is that, hey, for about 15 minutes worth of your time, if you book an appointment with me, I might be able to help you save tens of thousands of dollars over the next 25 years that you're in your home. So again, I was able to create this in less than 5 minutes using AI. So I did this in Google Gemini. Here's the prompt if you want to see it. I just said create an HTML widget I can copy and paste onto my website. The widget is called Virginia Solar Payment Estimator and should allow users to enter their average monthly electricity cost and calculate how much their electricity bill would be, assuming they had a solar lease priced at blah blah blah, right? So then it said, okay, here is the code, copy and paste it, and it gave me the code here. And literally I just click this button that says copy code, and then I come over here and I paste it on my web page. It's that simple. Literally a one paragraph prompt, and then even down here I think I told it after that, I told it to change the colors or something like that, edit a few details on the widget, and it did, and again just copy and paste it onto my website, and now I have a powerful tool that can help people visualize what it is I'm proposing here. So that's another way that you can use AI to help you make more money in less time and with less effort. So the last thing I want to show you here is just kind of visualization of what this process looks like. Again, it's the same whether you're trying to book appointments for sales or whether you're trying to sell stuff online, be it affiliate offers or Amazon affiliate or physical products that you ship through the mail, whatever it is, you need to get traffic, and the first step is creating videos. And again, this can be really simple, something like pointing at your computer screen, or use creating videos with AI, and you want to post one of these videos every day on multiple platforms, and those videos are going to drive traffic to your landing page. This is just a page that gets somebody to say yes, right? It presents them an idea, something that they might be interested in, gets them to enter their information in the box and click submit. And the reason for that is, of course, first you want to forward them to your appointment page or to your sales page or to your affiliate link. But that way, if they bounce and they leave that page without booking an appointment or without making a purchase, well, you can have an automated system of emails follow up with them on a regular basis, bringing them right back to that appointment booking page or that sales page. And then if they leave the first few times, you just have more emails follow up with them, and then maybe a week or a month later they come back to this page and they end up buying the product or booking the appointment or whatever it is. So that's about as much as I can sum it up in a short YouTube video. If you're interested in learning more about this process, I do have a step-by-step course, and you can grab it at profitpassively.com/AI. And basically, this course is just a step-by-step video training on exactly what I've explained here. In the course, I'm going to show you how to use this for affiliate marketing, but again, it's literally just changing that last link from an affiliate link to an appointment booking link if you want to use this for lead generation. It's the same basic process, and what I show you in this course is how to work smarter, not harder, and how to let AI replace your job, or at least the most tedious parts of it. So again, that's available at profitpassively.com/AI. And if you just go to the homepage, profitpassively.com, you can grab the free checklist that's going to have all the tools I've talked about here linked, as well as some other AI tools that might help you make some money online. So other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next AI video.